I'm stuck in this traffic on 696, westbound. I'm trying to get on 75. Dog, Connor, bro, he got me going back down to Toledo for the second time today. I mean, I'm not tripping because I get paid by the hour, but still, man, Bryce got so unorganized. And bro, I'm watching these people, right? I'm watching these people because some of these people think they slick trying to merge into my lane. Like, dude, I'm not, see what I'm saying? Like this car, like had I scooted up, listen, I've been stopping him from getting over into my lane, man. Seriously. Because here's the thing. They don't turn on no type of turn signals or nothing. So, no, man. See what I'm saying, bro? He stops right here. It's like, dog, why you keep doing that weird shit? Dog, I let you over, but then you stop. Bro, this dog, I can't stand y'all. I really can't stand y'all that be driving these four-wheelers. I know you don't understand truck driver talk. Four-wheelers mean people who drive cars. I'm keeping my distance. See what I'm saying, bro? Shit like that. It's shit like that. Bro, see, look, he gonna try to get over. He gonna try to get over. Like, dog. I'm so sick of these people, bro. So sick of these people. I probably got like a 18-minute it's like before I started recording this video, it said like it was like a 18-minute slowdown because it looked like two cars. Cause I be on Google Maps, bro. Cruz, now you see what I be dealing with, bro. But you be dealing with the same thing, Cruz. The same thing. Connor, hey, I'm gonna get my GoPro probably, not with this check, but probably my next check. I'm gonna get my GoPro because my kids coming in March and I want to get my GoPro before my kids come. Excuse me, but yeah. I need to get my PS5 and I need to get my new TV. And that's about it. As far as material shit go, I'm going to Target today to get me some more work pants. Yo, I love wearing cargo pants, bro. Love wearing cargo pants. I love wearing cargo shorts, but dog, cargo pants are the best pants for me to work to work in. It's the cargo pants is the best option for me, especially for what I do for a living. I always like that color charger. That purple and blue right here on the left hand side. He got that wicker bill on the back of it. Y'all see it? See what I'm saying? Like, dog, what the fuck is you gonna do? Get your ass in your lane, bro. Get in your lane. That's all you gotta do is just scoot over. Bro, you being real homosexual right now. Real homosexual. Reliable, baby. Like, dog. Reliable. I always want to work for them. Always. I love cars. So yeah. DeQuinder and John R. Half these people be high behind the wheel, drunk, don't be paying attention, doing everything else except for focusing on the road. For real, Michigan drivers are the worst. Are the worst. I mean, let's say this: Michigan drivers, we all think we the shit at driving. We all think we the best drivers until we get into a fucking accident. Yeah, like for real. All people, listen. People in Michigan swear up and down they the best drivers in the world. Can't nobody drive a vehicle like me and blase sweet. Listen, all that shit talking is good until you get into an accident. Motherfuckers swear they the shit until tragedy hits their ass. Dirty ass Malibu. Nussbaum. Best fleets to drive for. Hall of Fame. Y'all see that shit? Look. Nigga, please. 2021 best fleets to drive for. 2020 best fleets to drive for. 2019 best fleets to drive for. Nigga, you saying that, but you ain't said shit about no money though. You ain't said Nussbaum. You ain't said shit about no money. Nigga, how much you paying though? You talking about, oh, it's the best fleets to drive for. But nigga, how is it the best? As far as money, is that what you saying? Or as far as equipment? Or what? Or are you saying consistent freight as far as the best fleets? What you saying? Because, you know, a black man like me, listen, we care nothing except about money, nigga. That's all we care about. All that best fleet bullshit, Hall of Fame bullshit that you talking about, no. Black men and white men, we care about money. We don't care about that best fleet bullshit. We'll make it the best. Let's go. Let's see what make Nussbaum the best. Employee owned, purpose driven. Bullshit. Every trucking company got a good saying. What make your shit stand out? Nigga, please. Best fleet to drive for. No, the best fleet to drive for is your own shit. That's the best fleet. You like I said before. The best fleet to drive for is the fleet that your ass own, not that somebody else own. Shit, because at the end of the day, you still making their ass rich. Make yourself rich. Make your kids rich. Shit. Gordon Food Service. I did food service. I ain't doing that shit no more. Fuck that hands-on shit. I done that. You got a Kentworth. Bro, I'm not letting your ass over. Get the fuck away from me. You got a Kentworth. Look. Jaguar. It's not Jaguar, it's Jaguar. I think Jaguars are ugly, to be honest with you. I would never get one. That's in my opinion. Jaguar is owned by Land Rover Range Rover, or Jaguar owns Land Rover Range Rover. Either way it go, one of them motherfuckers is a subsidiary. Amazing. And I know they working you like a fucking slave. You might as well have shackles on. Ooh, them Amazon motherfuckers working like a slave, boy. Y'all might as well have goddamn shackles on. Fuck that. Hell nah, nigga. Shit, last time we were slaves was 500 years ago. Shit, we way past that shit. That shit dead. But Amazon, I'm telling you, Jeff Bezos is the new massa. I kid you not. Yes, he is. Shit, Amazon is like the LaQuint Dickey plantation. Jeff Bezos, all you need is a whip. Shit, man, Jeff Bezos is a goddamn slave master. Listen, he's this days and age slave master, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bro, them Amazon workers, bro, dog, they really working them like fucking slaves. Literally slaves. In a minute, they're gonna start doing that. It's gonna be free labor. Shit. Got on that goddamn blue vest. Only thing you missing is some shackles. Cause shit, mentally and emotionally working there, I bet you feel like a slave. Hell yeah. It's an accident, that's all it is. That shit is huge. Do you see how big that is? That shit is huge. Y'all see that? That's crazy, bro. Hey, I get paid by the hour, so what the hell I'm gonna be in a rush for? Shit, I'm trying to milk the clock any fucking way. I clocked in at 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna try to do a 12-piece today. A 12-piece with no sides. Fried hard, lemon pepper on it. Shit, I'm gonna try to do a 12-piece. Fried hard with the lemon pepper on it today. Y'all hear me? They don't know about that, Cruz. They don't know about 10-piece whole wing fried hard with lemon pepper. They don't know about that, bro. Connor, would you please tell them about Captain J's? Can you please tell everybody who's not from Michigan about lemon pepper? The fuck was that? God damn. Take my time. That's all you can do is take your time, y'all. You ain't in a rush, especially if you get paid by the hour. Shit. I'm just using these people so I can take care of my family, save some money, work on my credit, put some money up for me and my kids. For real. I know eventually we're gonna have to get over it. Damn! Bro, what the f*** happened? I gotta see this shit. I gotta keep this camera rolling, y'all. Cause bro, I'm really curious on what the hell happened. This is crazy. Yo, I seen the new Dodge Ram 1500. Actually, it's called the Ram Charger, but I seen the new one. Man, dude, the front of it looks a lot better than the last one. I'm gonna take a picture of it the next time I go to Chrysler. Well, the next time I'll be going to Chrysler is tomorrow, so I'm gonna take a picture of it and show y'all what the new Ram pickup truck look like, especially the front of it. They did a facelift. So it looked real nice. I mean, I still don't want no Dodge product, but it looked good. It looked good. The dog, who the fuck is honking? I'm not letting all these motherfuckers up. I'm not letting all these people over. You can forget about that. I mean, I'm trying to get over myself. Shit. She got that peanut butter interior in that Escalade. I like the Escalade. I really do like the Escalade. I mean, I like GM products, period. But I did hear that it be some problems with them Escalade 600s. That's a problem with every car. Shit, it's man-made. Anything that's man-made gonna have issues with it. Your relationship is man-made, so you're gonna have issues in your relationship. So, yeah. Where she go? St. Clair, get that? Yep, St. Clair. St. Clair. This traffic ridiculous. I'm gonna let you, what's his name? I can't spell that shit. Ford Raptor. I do like the Escalade. You know how you open the trunk? You press the Cadillac symbol. Right there. I do like the Escalade. I don't like black or white cars. So to all my subscribers, just to let you know, I do not, and I repeat, I do not like black or white vehicles. Period. Don't like them. Do not like them. It had to be an accident. Like, I'm really curious, y'all. Like, my anticipation is I'm really curious. Really, really, really curious. I mean, dude, all of us can't get in here. This is crazy. Oh my God. Yo, what the Yo, this is gonna be crazy. I can't wait to show y'all. Yo, keep watching the video, y'all. Dog, I think something spilled. I really believe something spilled, y'all. Bro, all of us can't fit in here. Like, dog, I can't let all of y'all over. Like, look at these people trying to get over. It's like, bro, just stop. Look, he trying to get over. Bro. No, people do. Yo! Look at that shit. Nigga, you are fired. I'm sorry I had to say the N-word, y'all. That's crazy, bro. Dog, that is crazy, bro. Dog. Yo, if you work for me, you'll be fired. And I'm not gonna hold you up, bro. I'm firing you. Wow, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna fire you if you work for me. That's crazy. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end this video, man. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Click that bell, turn them notifications on. Connor, Cruz, thanks for watching, fellas. Catch y'all in the next one.